What if I told you that by 2026, the joke coin that started it all could see a price explosion that silences every doubter? We're talking about Dogecoin, and its future might be more intertwined with one man's vision than anyone realizes. Stick around, because we're diving deep into the Dogecoin price prediction for 2026. And trust me, Elon Musk's next move could change absolutely everything. Welcome back to the channel, your go-to source for all things crypto. Today, we're not just looking at charts and technical analysis. We're looking at a phenomenon. Dogecoin, the meme that became a movement, has a story unlike any other in the crypto space. It's a community-driven coin that captured the hearts of millions. But its future trajectory hinges on something much bigger: the ambitions of the Dogefather himself, Elon Musk. Let's start by setting the stage. Right now, Dogecoin is in a phase of consolidation. It's seen incredible highs, fueled by social media hype and celebrity endorsements. And it's also weathered significant downturns. Many analysts look at Dogecoin and see a coin with limited utility, high inflation, and a history of volatility. They might say its best days are behind it. But that's a very narrow view, and it completely misses the X factor. And by X, I mean the platform formerly known as Twitter. Elon Musk didn't spend $44 billion on a social media app just to let it be. He has a grand vision for X to turn it into an everything app. Think about WeChat in China. It's not just for messaging. It's for payments, shopping, booking services, gaming. It's an entire digital ecosystem. Elon has explicitly stated he wants to build something similar for the rest of the world. Now, here's the billion-dollar question. What currency will power this new digital town square? Let's connect the dots. Elon has been a vocal supporter of Dogecoin for years. He's called it the people's crypto. He's worked with developers to improve its efficiency and reduce transaction fees. He's even teased the idea of using it for Tesla and SpaceX merchandise payments. These aren't just random tweets. They're breadcrumbs. He's been laying the groundwork, testing the waters, and gauging public reaction. So here's the core of our 2026 prediction. The single most significant catalyst for Dogecoin's price will be its integration into X as a native payment method. Imagine tipping your favorite creators in Doge. Imagine buying products directly from a post using Doge. Imagine sending money to friends and family across the globe, instantly, with minimal fees, all using Doge within the X app. This isn't a far-fetched fantasy. It's a logical next step in Elon's master plan. Integrating a traditional fiat payment system is complicated, riddled with regulations and high fees. Creating a new, proprietary X coin from scratch would be a massive undertaking and would face immense regulatory hurdles, just like Facebook's Libra project did. But Dogecoin? It's already here. It's decentralized. It has a massive, passionate community. And most importantly, it has Elon's public backing. It's the path of least resistance. If, and it's a big if, but a very possible one, this integration happens before 2026, the effect on Dogecoin's value will be seismic. We're talking about an application with hundreds of millions of active users suddenly having a direct, seamless way to use and transact Dogecoin. The utility problem, which has been Dogecoin's biggest criticism, would vanish overnight. Let's break down what that would do to the price. First, there's the immediate demand shock. Millions of users would need to acquire Dogecoin to use the new features on X. This sudden spike in demand, coupled with the existing supply, would inevitably drive the price upward. We're not just talking about speculators buying in. We're talking about genuine utility-driven demand. Second, think about the network effect. As more people use Doge on X, more businesses and creators will want to accept it. This creates a self-reinforcing cycle. The more places you can spend Doge, the more valuable it becomes to hold, which in turn encourages even more businesses to adopt it. This is how a currency goes from being a niche asset to a mainstream medium of exchange. So, what's a realistic price target for 2026 in this scenario? Let's be clear, this is speculative, but we can make an educated guess. When Dogecoin had its last major run-up, It was based almost purely on hype. Its market cap briefly surpassed that of major corporations. Now, imagine that same level of hype, but this time it's backed by real, tangible, large-scale utility on one of the world's largest social platforms. Some analysts believe that in this best-case scenario, Dogecoin could easily shatter its previous all-time high of around 73 cents. A price target of $1, the long-held dream of the Doge army, would not only be possible, but could be a conservative estimate. If X becomes the everything app and Doge is its currency, we can see valuations that place Dogecoin firmly back in the top 5 cryptocurrencies by market cap. A move to $2 or even $3 per coin isn't out of the realm of possibility if mass adoption through X is fully realized by 2026. But what are the risks? We have to be balanced. The biggest risk is that this integration never happens. Elon Musk is unpredictable. He could change his mind. Regulatory pressure could become too intense, forcing him to abandon the idea. Or he could opt for a different payment solution, perhaps even Bitcoin or stablecoin. If by 2026, X has a payment system that does not involve Dogecoin, the coin's price will likely languish, trading sideways based on sentiment and the broader crypto market trends. Another risk is the technical side. Can the Dogecoin network handle the sheer volume of transactions that would come from being integrated into X? While developers, with Elon's encouragement, have made improvements, scaling to meet the demand of hundreds of millions of users would be a monumental challenge. Any hiccups, slow transaction times, or security vulnerabilities could severely damage confidence and halt the price momentum. And of course, there's the overall market to consider. A severe crypto bear market, triggered by macroeconomic factors or a major black swan event, would pull all coins down, including Dogecoin, regardless of its utility on X. No coin is an island. So, how should you be thinking about this? Dogecoin represents a unique high-risk, high-reward bet on Elon Musk's vision. It's an asymmetric bet. The downside is that it could lose a significant portion of its value if the narrative falls apart. But the upside, if the X integration comes to fruition, is exponential. It's a binary event. Looking toward 2026, the roadmap is all about watching Elon and the development of X. Every announcement about payments on the platform will be a major signal. Will they get money transmitter licenses in various states? That's a bullish sign. Will Elon start tweeting more about Dogecoin's technical progress? That's another piece of the puzzle. The story of Dogecoin in 2026 won't be written by complex trading algorithms or institutional investors in suits. It will be written by memes, by community, and by the grand ambition of one of the most influential figures of our time. The question isn't just about whether Dogecoin is a good investment. The question is, do you believe in the Everything app? Do you believe Elon will choose the people's crypto to power it? If the answer is yes, then 2026 could be the year the Doge finally lands on the moon, not just as a meme, but as a fundamental pillar of a new digital economy. The fate of this coin rests on the shoulders of the Dogefather, and his next move will, without a doubt, change everything. What do you think? Is the X integration a pipe dream or an inevitability? What's your price prediction for Dogecoin in 2026? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks so much for watching, and if you got value from this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of crypto. Until next time.